Hello everyone, this is Daryl. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. First, I'm going to use the phone. Alright, so let's say for instance, I have some text I want to copy. Here's a message, this long message. So instead of retyping it, I can type this entire message or copy this entire message with a click. I'm going to press down. As you can see at the bottom left-hand corner, you see copy. I'm going to click copy. It's copied. Now, that copied portion is saved. If I go to another Facebook friend's message and press down in the right here in this write a message box, I'm going to press down. Now, clipboard, that's if I have other text or whatever I copy. But since I want to copy what I just, or paste what I just copied, I'm going to hit paste. And there it is. And once I hit it, once I paste it, I send and makes life a lot easier. Let's say if I go here and do the same thing. Now, see that little drop or whatever? I'm going to press down. I don't have to touch that drop at the moment, but I'll show you later on about the drop. All right, so I'm going to paste because it's going to paste the last thing that I copied. I'm going to hit paste, and there it is. Now, let's say I want to copy some of this. All right, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth topic, how to add wedding info. Well, I want to put my finger right there. Now, see the little dot, little drip? Now, as you can see, I can select all, and then I can click copy, and the next time I tap down, for instance, if I tap down, it's going to give me an option to paste. Well, I don't want to paste because I'll mix all of this up, but that's that. Now, let's go back to these dots. All right. If I want the wedding, I want to go here. Now, I don't want the entire text. I just want a portion. So you have a dot or a drop on one side. I'm going to the left. Now the drop on the right side, I'm going to move it to the right. So whatever's highlighted, it's going to be copied. Or I can cut it. Copy or cut. The difference, copy, I just copy. Now, the next time I hit paste, whatever I just copied will paste. Now, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to move it to the right or the left. I'm going to move the other portion, the other dot or drop to the right. It's highlighted. Now, if I cut it, it's going to cut it out. You got it? And when I click paste wherever, when I press down and click paste, it's going to put it back. So there it is, wedding. So again, I'm going to press down on the area. Now, what if I wanted that, and let's say I wanted all of that. All right, I have that. Now, my options to cut or paste. If I copy, it's copied. Press down. I highlight whatever I want. That's that in. And I take the left side and move it over. And I have all of this little paragraph, you might say. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to cut it. All right. And I'm going to go online. All right. Now, I don't want to copy nothing. Hold up. Now watch this. I press down. It's going to give me the option of paste or clipboard, but I don't want to paste or clipboard. I just want to select all. I want to erase that. I select all. I'm going to hit the back button, and it's erased. Now I want to press down, hit paste, and all of that information I copied earlier, I pasted it there. So if you're online, let's say Baltimore. If I type in Baltimore Ravens. All right. Now let me see Baltimore Ravens. I'm just looking for something to copy. All right. This portion here. Okay, let's say you're online and you want to copy something. This is what you do. All right, I want to copy the Baltimore Ravens are a professional, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to type all of that over. I'll just copy it. So I'm going to press down somewhere. Now I have my 2 drops. Whatever's on the right of the drop, the left of the drop will be copied. And whatever's between the right and the left drop will be copied. So the right drop, I want to take it and move it down, move it all the way over. So that entire area is highlighted. My next step is to copy it. Hit copy. And then I go to the section where I want to place it. If I wanted to send that message to a friend on Facebook, I simply go to that friend's page. I press down, give me a second, press down in the right message box, and I click paste. And I click send. And there's that entire message. Same here. I go, let me copy this entire section, select all. I backspace. Now, because I didn't click paste or I didn't click copy, it didn't copy. But the last thing that I copied will appear. So when I press here, I click paste, it's gonna paste the Ravens information because that was the last text that I copied. There you see. So that's how you copy and paste using your phone. Next, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on your computer or laptop. I'm back. I'm now on my laptop. I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. Now, I'm using a mouse. Well, when using a mouse, let's say I want to start here. And I want to start I want to copy here to here. All right, so I go here. This is I can either start from left to right, or vice versa. Well, let's say if I start here, or if I want to start here, start copying here and copying or working all the way up to here. So I have see my cursor. That's the little thing that's flickering. All right, that's where I want to start. So with my mouse, I'm at my starting position. I want to right click. No, actually, I don't want to right click. I want to left click, hold the left click down. Now I want to move up, up. I want to highlight, keep going up. Now that I have that highlighted, if I want it more highlighted, I just keep moving up, while holding the right click down. I mean, not the right click, the left click. So I'm holding my left click down. Now, I have everything I want to copy. I'm going to move my hand. I remove my finger. All right, so this is highlighted. I want to copy it now. I want to left click, and then I want to go down to copy, and I'm going to left click. Now, what if I right clicked and this here didn't appear? Well, I can go up here and left click, and I can find, because sometimes if you're online or whatever and it may not appear, well, you go to edit, left click copy, and there it is. And later on, let me create a, alright, so I created another document. Now whatever I just copied, I'm going to right click, I'm going to left click paste. There it is. It saved me from retyping this entire passage. Well, I'm going to go online, and let's say if I wanted to place that information somewhere. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3, let it load. Slow today. Come on. Oh. Any day now. Alright, let's say I'll use this. Alright, let me click OK. I'm gonna go in here, profile box. Now, remember the information I copied? I'm going to place it. Give me a second. I'm going to place it here. So I put my cursor wherever, and since this is an empty spot, well, let's do this. Let me show you that one. Put that there. Skip. Put that there. Down. Now I did that for a reason. So where do I want to place that information? Do I want to place it in between here, or do I want to place it in between here or there? So I can either paste it here, paste it there, or paste it there. Wherever I decide I want to paste it, I place my cursor. Let me move my cursor up so it's right there opposed to right there. So move it up. Now I'm positioned. I'm going to right click. I'm using the mouse. If you don't have a mouse, you right click on, using your finger on your laptop. So I'm positioned. I'm going to right click. As you can see, I'm given an option. I'm going to left click paste, and there's that information. Now, if I wanted to take, let's say if I want to copy right here, starting at add, I'm going to left click using the mouse, I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to move down. And then while still holding it down, I'm going to move over until I highlighted that entire passage. Now, if it's highlighted, I'm going to right click, copy, or cut. If I cut, it's going to cut it out. If I copy, it's simply going to copy it. And that's that. Now, if I didn't see that, well, I'm going to see that here. That's not a problem. And I copied that off of the internet, and I'm going to place it. I'm going to paste it on my document. Okay, I'm going to place it here where the cursor is flickering. I'm going to right click. Then when I click paste, it's going to paste the last text that I copied. So I'm going to left click, paste, and there it is. So that's how you copy and paste. Any questions? Give me a buzz. Thank you.